Imagine waking up to a home transformed into a lush, green, vibrant sanctuary where every corner breathes life and the air feels fresher. Welcome to the magic of houseplants. They say plants are like pets that don't move, and just like pets, they need care and love to thrive. In this video, you'll discover 5 easy houseplant care tips to transform you into a pro plant parent. Starting off at number 1, location, location, location. A plant's home is as important as the plant itself. Most houseplants are tropical, thriving in bright, indirect light. But remember, not all plants are sun worshippers. Some prefer shadowy corners. The key is to match the plant to its perfect spot. Moving on to tip number 2, don't drown your greens. Overwatering is the most common cause of houseplant downfall. A good rule of thumb? Wait until the top inch of soil is dry before watering again. And remember, different plants have different thirst levels, so do your homework. Tip number 3 is all about feeding your foliage. Just like us, plants need nutrition to grow. A good houseplant fertilizer can do wonders for your leafy friends. But be careful not to overfeed. Too much of a good thing can be harmful. Our 4th tip, keep it clean. A dusty plant is a sad plant. Dust can block light and clog the plant's pores, hampering its ability to breathe. A gentle wipe with a damp cloth or a soft brush can keep your plants looking their best. Finally, tip number 5, talk to your plants. It may sound silly, but plants react positively to human interaction. So don't shy away from a little chit-chat with your leafy companions. And there you have it, 5 easy tips to take your houseplant game to the next level. Remember, every plant is unique with its own likes and dislikes. Just like people, they need time to adjust to new surroundings, so be patient. Happy planting! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MidTown Farmer for more plant wisdom. Let your indoor garden bloom with us. Until next time, keep those green thumbs busy.